Hello YouTube. I'm back again with my 3000 review miles of my Toyo tires. If you see my previous video, I had a before and after review of these tires. I was very happy when I first got them. Very excited. But I must say right now that I'm sort of disappointed on these tires. They haven't really worked out for this truck. For some reason, they're wearing down pretty quick. They're not wearing down evenly. And I actually replaced one within the first year that I purchased these. It was on the warranty. Toyo replaced them. And I'm going to be replacing this one right here soon. Actually, I'm going to get 4 new tires, but I'll get to that in a minute. I'm going to show you how bad these tires are performing on my truck. There's a lot of tear on them. There's a nice big cut right here. I marked it. That's like more than about 3/8 deep. I measure the depth of this cut right here, and it's almost all the way in. This tire is going to blow on me anytime. Just very disappointed. I don't know. I mean, Toyos usually make good tires. I'm not talking bad about the company, the brand. It's just this particular tire on my truck is just not working out. As you can see, I got a 2500 Ram turbo diesel Cummins. I think that's the problem here. This truck is very front heavy from that big turbo diesel engine that it has. And it's just a lot of weight on these tires. You know, you would think that my problem and issue would be with the rear tires, and I have rotated these already twice. But the ones in the back usually do good. When I put them up in the front, wear and tear. And you know, you would think with my 5th wheel, all the extra weight back here, the issue will be with the rear tires, but no. They wear evenly and nice. It's the front tires. So I'm going on vacation soon. Gonna go on a long road trip and not taking any chances. I cannot drive where I'm going with these tires. Just can't do it. Safety wise, I'm not going to do it. I'm gonna buy me 4 brand new tires. I do have a extended warranty on these, so Discount Tires is going to warranty this particular tire right here with the nice gap, nice slice gap right there. And it's just going to cost me basically the purchase of 3 tires. The tires I've decided to go with are the Nitto Terra Grapplers G2. I looked and I did some review, and the reason why I decided to go with those, well, I was deciding first to go with the Nitto Ridge Grapplers, which is the hybrid tires. It's mixed between the mud tires grapplers and the all-terrain, like the ones I'm getting. And I've heard some reviews about those tires. When you get close to 80 miles an hour, you get a lot of shimmy on the steering wheel, and some people just believe that, you know, they don't feel safe driving at that high speed with those Ridge Grapplers. So I decided just to get the Nitto Terra Grapplers G2. Pretty much the same size. The only difference is that these are 295 6TR20s, and I'm going to get 295 65 R20s, which basically is going to give me about an inch higher. Now, I believe they will fit. If I'm going to have any rubbing with my new tires, it's going to be right about right here. You got this plastic inner fender. I might have to just cut a little piece of here off so I won't get any rubbing, but other than that, I think my new tires are going to work just fine. And it's, you know, just going to have to, you know, face the fact that this truck goes through tires pretty quick, especially in the front. There's nothing I could do about it. And like I said, I've driven these tires about 3,000 miles, and I've changed 2 tires already because they've gone bad. When I get my new ones, I'm gonna update you and give you some pictures of how they look on here, and I'll be back with you guys soon.
A week later.
Well, I'm back like I promised. Got my new tires, Nitto Terra Grapplers G2s. They look awesome. Pretty good threads. And let's hope that these do a better job than my Toyos did. As I previously said, I thought that they might rub a little bit, and they do. I'm getting a little rub right here on both sides. I'm going to show you real quick. As you can see, they're rubbing right here.
How did you know?
I mean, it's not much. It's a little rub right there. Same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to have to just cut a little bit right here off the center fender. It's plastic, not a big deal. Other than that, that's the only place that is rubbing. These don't have the aggressive look like the Nitto Ridge Grapplers, but I decided, like I said, I decided to go with safety instead of an aggressive look. For those of you who are towing a trailer or a fifth wheel, you gotta pay real close attention to these numbers right here. You got 129/126S. Those numbers are very important, especially if you're towing a big trailer or fifth wheel. Now, the 129 represents load index rating, which is approximately about 4,100 pounds. That is what these tires are capable of, max load. And 126E represents the speed rating. The rating of S is speed rating of, I believe, is 117 miles per hour, which is what these tires are capable of doing until they're no longer safe. You know, you get better control and better handling of your tires when you know, up to about 117. Of course, no one's going to go that fast, but you know, they're approximately, you know, close to it, or maybe if you go a little bit, the further you get close to the max, the more issues you might have with these tires. So I'm pretty safe because like I said, I wouldn't do anything over 85, especially towing. Now, the Nitto Ridge Grapplers had a load rating of 3,700, so it was less than these, and it had a speed rating of Q, which is basically 99 miles per hour. So that's another reason why I didn't go with the rich grapplers. You know, I have better speed rating on these and better load rating on them too. So yeah, I'm happy with my decision. They look real nice, and let's just hope that these tires do a better job than my Toyos. I think they will. And of course, once I put a few thousand miles on these, I'll come back with another review. Alright YouTube, thanks for watching. If you like this channel, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe, and I'll get back to you soon. Peace out.